Hold that, MJ. Hold that picture. Show some video or something. Let them know what we're doing. We got to fix the damn chain because the chain keeps popping off. All right, let's go. Oh. Phone might get wet, guys. We're gonna go through some mess. We're trying to go through this. Make our own path. Yeah, we have to make a trail.
Like bring a shovel or something with us next time type shit.
Yeah.
That's how those biker motherfuckers be doing with the pedal bikers.
Yeah.
They're digging the trail.
Well, we could just make a dam right here.
We'll build a fucking bridge.
Just make a dam. Yeah.
Have a troll under that motherfucker.
Yeah, because that trail goes back there to the very corner where we keep going straight.
You see someone's been walking the path up there along the edge.
Yeah.
It's all been walked out.
Yep. We're just looking, trying to find some stuff. This trail never used to go all the way through to the other side. Now it does. It used to stop right here and then they started over here in this trail.